Now we are going to look at the weighing in process. Click the Book In/Weigh In button. We are presented with the Registration/Book In dialog. From here we can see the number of players registered for the event, the number of players booked in or weighed in for the event, and the number of players not yet booked in. This gives us a picture of how far the weigh-in process for the event has progressed. There are a number of ways that we can access a player's registration record, to book them in. We can search for them using the search icon, or we can search using the Select Player dropdown. Or we can search by category, using the second drop-down list to select all the players registered for a category. Notice now, that in addition to the overall event statistics, we can also see the registered count for the selected category, the booked-in count for the category, and the count of players remaining to be booked in for the category. We can now select a player, by double-clicking on them in the Registered panel. If we have a set of integrated USB scales, we simply get the user to stand on the scales, then we click the scales icon. The weight is automatically registered. If you don't have integrated scales, simply click in the weight box, and type in the player's weight. Now click Book In. The player moves from the registered list, to the booked-in list. The Booked In Categories box displays the categories for which the player is booked into, for this event. There is another, faster method of finding a player record, and that is to use the integrated barcode scanner. To scan the player's previously created identity card, click the barcode button and present the player's ID card to the scanner. The player is quickly located. Get them to stand on the scales, and click the Scales button. Then click Book In. The player is moved to the booked-in list. We will now repeat the process, and book in all players for this category. We will now create seeds for the category, based on players' current ranking, either internationally, nationally, or locally. This will cause the seeded players to be separated in knockout or pool draws, and prevent the highest seeded players from meeting until the latest possible stage of the competition. Select the player, by clicking them in the booked-in list. Then click the Add Seed button. They are then added to the seeds list, with their seeding number also displayed. Repeat this to select as many seeds as desired. You can also use the up and down buttons, on the left of the seeding box, to change the position of a seed. Note that once a knockout, or pools have been created, the seeding cannot be altered. And that's how the booking in, weigh in, and category seeding process works. Thanks for watching.